Welcome to my YouTube. This is Ajit Kumar, and in this video I will show you how you can resize your virtual machine easily using the command prompt. So there is a two way you can proceed with the portal itself and using the command prompt. So first of all I will proceed with the command prompt and later I will show you from the portal. So for that you just go to the command prompt, run as administrator. So here is the command. I have already copied that. So this is the command. For before proceeding to command, you just need to log in. To the portal. So basically it will show you to log into the portal. So as you can see here, I have already logged in to my portal successfully. Now I'm going to the command. So first of all you need to mention here the resource group name. So in my case I have the resource group available as VM, so I have put it here, the virtual machine name here, and this is the output table. So I'm now going to copy that, run it. So basically it will show you what are the size available for that resource group. So as you can see here, these are the size, these are available. If you want to make it in text format, you just click on that. I have put it a text format name output.txt. You just click after that. So let me so this is the file. So you can easily fetch this size from the to the text format. So as you can see here, my VMSize is in having B1S, which is one CPU and one memory. So I'm going to change it to this standard VS standards to VS, so that I will get the two CPU at least. So here you need to run the second command. So here you need to mention the resource group and the VM name, and here you need to mention the size. So I'm going to change the VM name. So basically it will run in the background. So but make sure whenever you are doing the resizing, always perform in the downtime, so that because it always required downtime, it will require a reboot. So as you can see here, it's running. Let me go to that portal and check the size. I'm going to refresh this. So as you can see here, it's changed to B2MS, which are having 2 CPU and 8 GB of memory. So as you can see here, it's run successfully and have provided the output as well. So this is first way you can do from the command prompt. The other way you can do from the portal itself. So for that you need to go to that size here in the drop down, and here you will get all the size available, okay, along with the series name. So if you want to change it, let me check that. So as you can see here, the VMSize in bit2 ms. I'm going to change reverse back to b1s so that it will back to the same. So I'm going to resize that. Just choose that size and click on the resize button. It will automatically resize that virtual machine size. So I'm going to overview and refresh once time. So as you can see here, the size of this virtual machine got changed again with the one vCPU and the 1 GB of memory. So this is all about how we can resize your virtual machine using the command prompt and the portal itself. So hope this video is really helpful to you. So please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.